Alright Land Cruiser fans, today I'm going to talk to you very briefly about washer jets. These are a 23-year-old, well this is a 23-year-old car, and the washer jets, I don't know, what's a 30-year-old design? But there are several other ones that Toyota make for the Lexus and so on, which would upgrade the washer jets. But in most cases, the beam spray is too low. What I want is a fan pattern, which gives good coverage on the windscreen, but I don't want it to be pointing at the what do you call it, slam panel, I guess. I don't want washer jets that hit here. I need one that's going to cover more of the windscreen, and I have solved it, and I'm going to share the part number. What we're not going to talk about today is the reason why my car is up on stands. That's rear differential. I'm not ready to talk about that yet, but the part number we are looking for here is 85381 34030. And those of you who are very fast on the Google will have realized already these are from the FJ Cruiser. So I've imported these from Amayama, same place I always do, and I'm going to swap them on here. It's so easy. It's not even a 5-minute job. It's like 90 seconds. The jets themselves are identical in their size and their fitment, but instead of two round metal holes, there's a single square hole for the fan jet. There's a pair of plastic tabs front and rear which secure the jets to the bonnet, or to the hood if you're from one of our colonies. Fitting them is really straightforward. First, you remove the rubber hose underneath. It's about 15, maybe 20 centimeters long at the joint. Pop that off, and then using a flat screwdriver, I can squeeze the tabs from underneath through this access hole while I pull the jet up and out from the top side of the bonnet. Pull off the hose, pop the new one onto the top of the hose, push it into hole, and then refit the hose from underneath. That's it. Let's have a look at the two nozzles. You'll be able to see that the old design has two jets which come out in a spray, and the new one is a central hole which produces a fan, which gives much better coverage on the windscreen. Definitely prefer that. But I'm gonna have my assistant help me here because he's gonna operate the spray so we can compare the pattern of old versus new. Do you want a box to climb in, or do you want a hand, or what?
A hand.
You want a hand, right.
I can jump on the hand.
Right, I'll take that hand first then. Do a jump, 1, 2, 3. How was that?
Great.
Okay, do you know where the washer jets are?
Yeah.
Okay, and where's the button that controls them? No, that's hazard lights. The button you're looking for is here. You pull this towards you. That's down. Okay, let go. Nicely done. Right, I have lifted the wipers away so that you can get a good look at the spray. That's some pretty great coverage, way better than what I had before. From the spray pattern itself, if we'll have a look at the old one, it doesn't really cover most of the screen and it doesn't froth in the same way, but the fan spray really does a great job of that. I've also got a thing called a heat shot in here, which warms the spray before I send it onto the windscreen. Those are recommended, and I certainly would recommend these fan sprays as well. It solves the problem that the Hilux had, where the Hilux jets are too low. These FJ Cruiser jets are much higher on the windscreen, and they solve the problem. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Part number we are looking for here is, again, 85381 34030. And if you're in the US&A, just talk to Cruiser Patch and he'll probably be able to get a set for you. So that's just a short video. This is exactly the sort of upgrade that I love finding for the Land Cruiser, because it improves the quality of life of living with a 25-year-old car design. These were like £30 off Amayama. 2 thumbs up, recommended. Get these. Nice quality of life upgrade for the Land Cruiser, and they're not expensive. So thank you for watching. That was just brief, but I hope you enjoyed that. Stay safe, make good decisions if you can. I will see you in another video. Goodbye.